Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on the Harmony of the Seas. We're on deck 14. This is my room. It's an inside cabin, 673, and we're going to take a quick look at it. But it's right next to the lobby, right over here, okay? Okay, let's hit the bed. I have one of those wall bands. And here we go. Alright, here we go. I'm rooming with my sibling, and so this is it. It's very kind of tight, small. We have an animal. This is actually the third night, but basically you're going to get the bed outlet with a switch over there, a full-length mirror on this ship, a small seat, love seat, a dressing area with a mirror, lots of power, remarkably, if you need it, full drawers here with the television, and of course the all-important chiller we have not used. Okay, we only have a couple of beverages, some drawers, a double shelving with a safe, and of course the closet that's full. Okay, the drop and the hangers, and the restroom is the full glassed enclosed shower, of course, same toilet, and amenities. Alright, so that's a quick review of the Harmony of the Seas inside cabin. Thank you again for watching the video. Have a great day, and here's a look at where we are. Alright, we're sailing out of Galveston. Take care, guys, and have a great day, and see you on the next video.